Hello, today's topic is how to get insurance of car in USA. Getting a car insurance in USA is a necessary and important step of any vehicle owner. Car insurance provides financial protection in case of accident, theft, and other unforeseen events on the road. Here is a comprehensive guide on how to obtain car insurance in the USA. Being a familiar with the different types of car insurance coverage available. Liability coverage are typically required by law in most states, covering badly injured and property damage you might cause other. Additionally, consider collision coverage for damage to your car in the collision comprehensive coverage for non-collision incidents like theft or natural disasters, and uninsured underinsured motorist coverage for protection against drivers with insufficient or no insurance. Research insurance provider. Start your research for car insurance by researching various insurance companies. Look for reputable insurance with strong finance standing and good good track record of customer services. Check online reviews and seek recommendations from the friends or family to find the best insured in your area. Understanding car insurance. Be aware of the car insurance requirements specified to your state. Each state sets its own minimum coverage limits. So ensure you meet these legal requirements while choose your policies. Obtain quotes and compare. Contact multiple insurance providers to request quotes based on your coverage needs. You can do this online, over the phone, or through the local insurance agents. Compare the quotes, coverage options, deductible and premium, and find the policy that fit your budgets and offer adequate protection. Consider discounts. Inquire about potential discount that you may qualify for. Many insurers offer discount for safe driving cars, building multiple policies such as home and autos, having certain safety features in your vehicle, or being member of certain organizations. Finalize the policy. Once you choose the policy, provide the necessary information and documentations to ensure company to finalize the coverage. Ensure you understand all aspects of the policy, including coverage limits, exclusions, and the claim process. Make the initial payment to active your coverage and keep your insurance card in your vehicle as proof of coverage. Car insurance policy typically lasts for 6 or 12 months. Before the policy expires, the insurance company will inform you about the renewal process. Take this opportunity to review your policy and assess if any changes are on base needed based on your circumstance, such as change in driving habits and vehicle usage. Keep your insurance up to date. Inform your insurer any change that may affect your coverage. By following these steps, you can secure right car insurance coverage that not only fulfill legal requirements but also provide necessary protection and peace of mind while you are on the road. Remember to the diligence and comparing options, understanding the policies, terms, and keep your insurance up to date for a hassle-free driving lessons. Thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.